Hey there, it's Dean from sciaticareliefnow.net, and I am with Jennifer, who is in Brisbane in Queensland, Australia. And we were just chatting tonight. She has Piriformis syndrome. Her doctor had told her to do some stretching and rolling of a tennis ball on her bad side. And she had joined our group, and I basically was Facebooking with her, telling her, whatever you do, do not tennis ball roll on your bad side. To which she replied, I just got done doing that because my doctor told me to. And I said, hey, are you available for a quick free video consult? And she said, absolutely. So here we are on a free video consult. It is almost 11:30 at night here in Charleston, South Carolina. And I'm assuming it's probably 3 in the afternoon there, 4 in the afternoon?
Yes, 2:30 in the afternoon.
2:30 in the afternoon in Queensland, Australia. And I just wanted to turn this over. Jennifer, I'm going to turn over to Jennifer to let her tell her story. Been on this call for about 15-20 minutes, and let her tell you what we've done and how she's feeling, to try to encourage you that, hey, this free video consult may be beneficial. So Jennifer, over to you, and thanks for allowing me to use this for marketing purposes.
Thanks, Dean. Hi, everyone. Yes, the amazing thing is that I'm still sitting here talking and not wanting to just get up and go away because I'm in so much pain after about 20 minutes. This morning, that would have been impossible because I could not sit comfortably for more than 5 minutes. So, yeah, just quickly, a couple of weeks ago, I was sitting wrongly on a really hard floor for an extended period of time. And then the next day, all my muscles in my butt and on my left side were really painful and clenched up and spasming, and it was going down my leg and everything. So I went to the doctor, and as Dean said, the doctor said, do these tennis ball exercises where you like really put pressure on the muscles with the tennis ball and do this stretching. And I've been doing that for a few days now, and it wasn't getting better. So I saw Dean's group and I just happened to say something on it, and then Dean told me you shouldn't be doing the tennis ball exercises. So I came on here for the free video consult, and I did these exercises that Dean told me to do, just lifting my left leg, which is the sore side, onto my right knee and then bending forward. And the first time I did it, it really hurt. So then we went to the right side, which is my good side, and I did 5 sets of 20 seconds of doing that. And then back to the left side, and then when I did that and bent forward, it was way less painful, like way less painful. So then I did sitting on the tennis ball on my right side and just like rolled that around for about 30 seconds, and then put my left leg, the bad leg, up again on my right knee and leant forward. And Dean said, oh wow, you're leaning forward heaps more than you were the first time, which I didn't even really notice that, but that was true. And so like within 15 minutes, I'd say I was about 50% less pain than when we started talking, which is pretty amazing. And I'm still sitting here, and now it's probably 25 minutes or whatever, and I still don't feel the need to move from pain. So that's my testimony. And I think I'm going to be joining the group that Dean has. Oh, anyway, I guess he tells you about that. So I'll just stop rambling. But yes, it's very worthwhile getting this, because I would have still been doing the tennis ball butt thing probably for another week till I went back to my doctor, and making it worse. So I'm very thankful.
Well, thank you, Jennifer. And I'm glad you took me up on this. And yes, I'm glad you're still sitting, but let's not push it. Let's end this so that you can stand up and not cause any more irritation. Keep up those exercises, and I look forward to hearing further stories of how you are getting further and further out of pain. So thanks for taking me up on this, and have a wonderful rest of your day, because I'm about to go crash for the night.
Yes, thanks heaps.